Hi, good day, M6316. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jocelyn Poyong Barreto, 32 years old, single with living partner with three children, two girls and one boy. They are 14, 10, and 8 years old. I live in Barotacbio, Iloilo, Philippines.
Your religion?
And religion is Christian, and I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia, 5 years and 4 months, with a God family. They are two elderly and one adult, and two grandsons. They are newborn to 2 years old and 4 to 8 years old.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
Uh, Cleaning the house and assist for cooking and laundry, ironing, and take care of the children.
And also, you are taking care of pets, right?
Yes,
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
take care of it. It's two birds.
Okay, and you have also experience in Singapore, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Singapore.
My experience in Singapore also have a good family, and there are four members, two couple and two children, 15 years old and 10 years old. I take good care of them every afternoon in the works extra class.
Okay, you are
And
working extra class.
yes, they are extra class.
Okay, extra class. Then, you are car washing too, right?
Yes,
How many car do you car wash?
I car wash a car in one car 2 times a week.
2 times a week. And taking care of pets.
Yes, I take care of it also. They are all fishes.
Fishes. So you are 5 months here. You work here for 5 months only. Why?
Yes. I work in Singapore in 5 months because I have a family problem.
So you go back to the
Yes.
Philippines. Okay. So since I saw that you have experience taking care of 2 years old from newborn, right? So it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes.
And you know how to prepare a milk.
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First is I check the temperature of the baby, and I try to fed up them, and I check the diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call the employer immediately.
And what will you tell to your employer?
Um, sorry.
If you call the employer because the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you tell to your
Uh, I,
employer?
I told them the babies cannot stop crying.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to
Yes.
cry, right?
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the nice place and safe place, and also the high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong almost finish contract or more, and depends on my employer if needs me.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract, right?
Yes,
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
a little.
A little. Okay, what kind of Chinese food
Um,
can you prepare?
the vegetable stir fry,
Okay.
um, fried noodles with vegetables. Also, I know how to cook Chinese fried rice.
Okay, so you have experience preparing a meal for a Chinese food, right? So if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, I am willing to learn, and
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes,
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
yes,
How about taking care of pets?
yes,
Taking care of elderly.
yes,
If
also.
one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, also.
It is okay to you not to use telephone without their consent.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, my dearest future employer. Um, I am Jocelyn, and I want to please to hire me because I am honest and I am responsible, and I want to and respectful in your family, and I also take care of your children as like my own children. And Also, I want to, and I'm willing to learn and follow what's your instructions.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Miss Jocelyn. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay.